My name is Iben Christiansen. I have worked at Stockholm's University with teacher education for the last 14 months. Before that, I was in South Africa, in Umgungundlovu, where I did some research on teacher education and more generally on maths education. And the student teacher says, we have a review lesson. And I had said to him, don't do the review lesson by you going through everything they should have learned last year. I want you to actually see what they've learned. And he did. He says, well, do you remember anything about trigonometry from last year? And this class remembered almost everything. And that shows that the teaching that they went through the year before was great. So another class, exactly the same kind of revision lesson, we're going to review trigonometry. He also started by asking them something. None of them could answer. So that shows you can have the same content, you can go through, you can have what you think is a successful lesson, but in the one it becomes superficial, they forget it a year later. In the other one where they thought through the things themselves and everything has connected, they remember it all. The first thing that I want to know is about the extent to which we in teacher education manage to make it sufficiently clear to the students how they can bridge theory and practice. The second thing we are very interested in is what students do with that when they come out as teachers. So do they manage to take these theoretical perspectives with them and use them in their daily teaching? How do they change them around? How do they develop them, link them? What happens? What happens with this, all this knowledge base that we have provided when they go out to teach? We've got a doctoral student in the team who has looked specifically at what type of questions we ask the students for their portfolio when they reflect on being out in their teaching practice, and to what extent they are asked to apply theory. And she found that it was quite limited in what theories the students were asked to link to practice. They don't refer strongly to theory, so reflect on the types of assessment you use. You know, what exactly do we mean here? What is it we want them to draw in? Are we asking them to think about whether they used formative or summative? What are we asking them? So the questions were very vague. And that's an indication. If I was a student and read that, it's like, they don't really want big theory. They just want me to think about what I did. And so it's so easy to slip into an everyday discourse and not apply a more theoretical lens to understand what I did myself and to learn from it. There are huge similarities between what we do in Swedish teacher education and South African teacher education and what the issues are. What do the students take up, if you have to be a little dramatic? And what do we make available? We see the same patterns, we see the same issues. So we use the same sort of instruments for looking at it. What we can do is try to make teachers who just manage a little bit better. And so that it is a quality assurance process in a way. So what can we do? Well, we can improve the teacher education program. Or we can improve it in terms of content. What do we bring in? If we have theory and we have the teaching practice, what do we do so that the theory becomes linked to the practice in a way? Becomes something that's directly applicable, that gives a perspective, that gives a way of thinking, that it doesn't just become a box of theory here and what I do in the school, in the classroom here, but it becomes one connected whole of knowledge.